Hi, so welcome to DCA. So this announcement is for the upcoming CDS batch, the UPSC Combined Defense Services exam, that is CDS 2 2020. Right, many of the queries were responding, but still due to this delay in the NDA exam, we were stuck up with the NDA exams, which is scheduled on 6th of September. So after that, that is around 13th of September, we have planned the integrated revision plan for CDS exam, IRP. Right, so what is IRP? So the basic focus will be the core of the paper, that is GS. Majority of the aspirants actually flunk in the GS paper, although you can say the cutoff for the CDS exam in GS as per the UPSC is 20 marks, but 20 is not going to help you nowadays, because you can see if you go as per the recent trends, that is CDS 1 2020 or maybe CDS 2 2019, the cutoff is more or less going nowadays 95 or 95 plus. So indirectly we have to maximize the GS score, that is let's suppose you are scoring around 70 in English section or maybe more, right? There are some candidates who are around 60s or 58 or 65 in English, right? It depends person to person, right? But one thing is sure, that you are safe. You can be definitely safe if you score more than 35, or you can say 40 or 45 plus. Although 40 out of 100 is a good score actually, because UPSC CDS is more or less nowadays getting tricky, tough. The vastness, the diversity of the paper, it covers a lot of things, and the straightforward thing that it cannot be done in 30 or 40 days. If you think that if you are going to score 50 marks in CDS GS paper in 50, that is a myth. You can score that in 10 days for the mathematics, yes, because you have done mathematics since your childhood, and if you were good in 9th, 10th, 11th or 12th maybe, you can easily do 50 plus in mathematics, right? The only condition is speed. But the thing, where the buck stops is actually the GS paper. So the agenda is, are you able to score around 50% in GS? So if you are 40 plus in GS, more or less, in fact 99.9%, you are ensuring yourself in the written selection list for sure. And you might be aware of that in CDS 2, the number of seats for the OTA has been reduced, right, by almost, I think, 56 number of seats has been reduced for the men's category. One has been increased for the female category, right? Anyways, so this is all stats. So let's see how actually this is going to work out. So we'll be starting this IRP session, which is around 7 weeks, considering the exam is getting conducted on time, assuming, we hope so, ho jaye to acha hai, right? 7 week session, that is around 56 days. Let us assume it as around 60 days session, right? 60 days tenure we have, right? It's not the daily class program. The first thing, it's not going to be a daily classroom program, right? Because we firmly believe that you are a graduate, and self-study is the biggest thing which is going to help you out. So it will be, let's suppose we have 5 or 7 sessions in a week. We will be giving you targets. Okay, this is the target for day 1. Are you done with this? Right? We will be discussing those target quality improvement, package, you can say, or the study content or the value added points related to that. And then you'll have the test. Then again we will discuss, what actually you have done and where is your mistake. Having a deep, you can say that a deep insight in your performance analysis bahut zaruri hai. So that completely we have online mode. So classes will be held in online mode, that is value added program. Value added classes will be held straight from the boards. You can access it via your laptop as well as mobile, and that will be recorded as well, so you can watch it many number of times as well. Next, of course, after that daily target, or maybe let's suppose in weekly we have 4 modules to complete, and if we are done, we have a test, course test and analysis. You can check your attempts, you can check where actually you have done wrong and what should be the exact way, and what should be the reference for that. Next, the sessions are live and interactive, which I already said. Live means like right now, let's suppose I'm writing on the board, you are able to watch it. You can raise your hand, you can ask orally question as well as in the chat box, right? And these all sessions are recorded as well in your lecture sessions, that is the app, the DCA, the learning app. Next, this is the chain where we will start. We'll give you the target for the first, let's suppose first 7 days target, day 1 to 7. we have in between, in 7 days, let's suppose we have around 7 or 8 sessions on particular topics which have been your targets, and those sessions will be value added, right? It's not that I am going to teach you that the shape of the earth is geoid, what is latitude, what is longitude. A lot about this are available in open domain, and you can do it on your own. Our role is to act, you can say the tincture of the success points, you can say, or value added points, right? The quality which can lead you to differentiate between the normal question and the UPSC kind of question, right? Then we have discussion of those value added points, then test and the analysis, okay, where actually we have done wrong or you have done wrong, and what should be the ideal way and how you can improve your score, right? Because we cannot take the risk of test. Only test is not important, analysis is also important, right? You should know what is your strength and weakness, right? We'll be adding study booklets in the form of PDF, right? Section wise slots, that means the target, let's suppose we are talking about the physical geography chapter 1 and 2, or maybe climatology, that is one module, climatology. We'll discuss climatology, then vegetation and more integrated things. Now this is about the course which will be starting from 13th of September. The details will be revealed to you on as soon as possible, maybe by 1st or 2nd of September, right? So we'll be sharing you the detailed prospectus brochure about this, so that you can be aware of what actually you are going to get in this program, right? Completely online program. Next, about the Wonder Book, the study booklets, which is the trademark of DCA, right? Which many of you are waiting for actually. So right now we are again updating up. We are updating up with the, let's suppose the dynamic polity section, places in news, the geography dynamics, right? Of course, apart from some, the trend based question of science and technology, space, everything, whatever has been the trend for the last 2 exams, right? So there are around 6 booklets for each of the subjects, apart from one current affair booklets. This time what we are doing, it's not only MCQ, we'll be trying to add gist as well. So you can say that some important point we should remember, right? Or you can say that some handmade notes, handmade micro notes. You can say, let's say you are studying 7 to 8 page and we are preparing 1 micro notes. This is what we are doing right now in NDA batch. We are giving them micro notes so that it can be revised quickly, right? Apart from the quality Q&A which you are aware of, and this DCA booklets will be available after 18th of September, right? So this is all about the integrated revision program for the upcoming CDS 2 exam, and this will be helpful for you for CAPF as well, right? So as there are majority of the candidates who might be appearing for both the exams, we are looking into integrate the first paper of CAPF in this CDS as well, right? Although the second question, one of the एक बच्चे ने पूछा कि what about the mathematics and this English? देखो, I firmly believe, in fact you may agree, that English में it's all about practice. More or less things are going to come from your side. Lot of resources are available for English section. The only thing what you need to do is practice. Practice at least 50 sets of CDS type questions, or maybe English general question of SSC, of course CGL exam, the previous years, and some papers, or you can say that vocabs related or a grammatical section of banking exams. They will help you out to get good score in English. Apart from mathematics, of course we'll keep some question booklet session, question discussion session of mathematics as well. So this is all about the IRP, which is beneficial for those who are planning to write CDS as well as CAPF. Any question, queries, do write us at 77105 48960. Thank you. All the best.